If you're about to buy a stick vacuum, there are a few things you should know. There are actually quite a few differences between the models. Think about things like battery life and the type of floor they're suitable for. I'm Lola, and in this video, I'll help you figure out which stick vacuum fits your home and cleaning style. Stick vacuums come in different types. Most people use them as a replacement for a regular vacuum, but there are also models that are better suited for small jobs. For example, think about vacuuming up crumbs after breakfast. So keep this in mind. Do you want to clean your whole house with it, or just use it as an extra? The most powerful models have a long battery life and strong suction, but they're also a bit heavier. For quick cleanups, a lighter model is actually nicer to use. So think about how often and how long you'll be using it. Not every stick vacuum is suitable for every type of floor. Do you mostly have tiles or laminate? Then a standard suction brush will do the trick. But if you have carpet or high pile rugs, you'll want a model with a motorized brush. That really spins through the fibers and lifts dirt up that way. If you live in a house with different types of floors, it's useful to have a model with interchangeable brushes or a suction brush that automatically adjusts itself. The battery life varies a lot from model to model. Some only last 20 minutes, while others can keep going for up to an hour. The larger your house, the more important it is that the battery doesn't run out too quickly. If you often use the turbo mode, like for pet hair or thick carpets, the battery will drain faster too. So don't just look at the maximum number of minutes, but also at how many minutes you can actually vacuum at full power. Unfortunately, with many vacuums, a quick recharge isn't really an option. On average, charging takes about 3 to 5 hours. There are also models with an extra battery or a separate charging station. That way you'll always have a charged battery ready to go. Is it important to you to get back to cleaning quickly? Then a model with a removable battery is a smart choice. You can charge the spare battery separately while you keep on vacuuming. Stick vacuums don't use a vacuum cleaner bag, but have a dust container instead. And the larger the dust container, the less often you'll need to empty it. Most models have a capacity between 0.5 and 0.8 liters. That might not sound like much, but for an average household, it's usually enough. You can often empty the dust container with just one click over the trash can. And of course, not everyone finds that the most hygienic task. So if, for example, you're allergic or you just don't enjoy that chore, then look for models with a self-cleaning system or a docking station. Some stick vacuums only come with a standard suction brush, while others include a whole set of attachments. Think of a soft brush, a turbo brush, you name it. And if you have a dog, a cat, or any other furry pet, then a turbo brush for pet hair is super useful. Do you live in a small place or have lots of nooks and crannies in your home? Then you'll want a crevice tool or a flexible hose. So think carefully in advance about what you really need, otherwise all those accessories might just end up gathering dust in the closet. There are lots of options, but once you know what to look for, making the right choice becomes a whole lot easier. Think about your type of flooring, how long you want to vacuum, and whether you'll use it daily or just every now and then. I hope this video helped you figure out which stick vacuum suits you best. Take care,